Hey guys, one of my favorite places to roll are the glutes. One of my favorite tools to use for rolling the glutes is the alpha ball. So you need one alpha ball for this. If you want to use one of the medium-sized balls, you can use that as well. I just find this works better. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the ball right to the center of your glutes, lie down on your back. So place the ball under one side and then move your hips side to side. Essentially you're trying to get that ball to roll from the base of your spine, your sacrum, to the outside of your hip. If you want a little more pressure, cross your the same side of the ball, then cross that leg over the opposite leg and continue to move the hips side to side. That is going to really help with your hip mobility. Obviously it's going to feel good for the glutes. And yeah, in general, it kind of helps everything with your pelvis. It can even help with anything going on in your knee. Everything is connected, so definitely make sure you're rolling your glutes.